I ain't never been rude to you.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
I've never been a dick. And you're gonna throw pop bottles at me? Face the car.
On September the 9th, 2024, at approximately 12 p.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was driving down Sullivan Avenue when he observed a male that looked like Mr. Javon Baltimore, whom he knew had a warrant for robbery. The officer watched Mr. Baltimore walk into a corner store and decided to follow to see if it was really him. Moments later, the two locked eyes, and the chase was on.
Don't. You get tased, Jevin. 190. Jevin, you're gonna get tased. I got a 58 for robbery in the M&J carry out in the Shoba and Sullivan. Get some cars. You're gonna get tased.
9192 and 9102. You can start that way.
Jevin, you're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. Get on the ground, Jevin. Jevin, all the way on the ground. I'm going to tase you. All the way on the ground, Jevin. All the way. Lay down on your belly. You get that door guy?
Yeah, I'll respond to your 41.
Copy.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. On your knees.
Yo, you fuck up my son, motherfucker. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Put your fucking hands behind your back.
What's wrong with you? You fucking my son. Sorry. Get him, motherfucker. Why did you do this, motherfucker?
First car was 190 advised.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Son of a bitch.
On your belly. On your belly.
Son of a bitch. Sorry.
On your feet.
Fuck you up when it comes back, motherfucker. I'm sorry. Alright, yeah.
190.
Come on, you can give me one. I'm done. I'm done.
Got one in custody. We'll start a supervisor for a taser. And,
Go ahead, grab me.
stand up.
Copy
On your
out the
feet.
other 24 and 19. You can respond out there. It's the Shoba Sullivan. What market was it?
Fuck, man. Why did I do this stupid shit? I'm sorry, yo.
M&J.
It's over.
Hey, he tried to run, so hold on to him.
Listen to me.
Okay.
It's over.
It's over.
It's a drug.
Let's go.
It's a drug, bro. I'm sorry. Come back. They told you to get down with it.
It's over, sir.
No. I have a good relationship with him.
But still, you don't need to keep
I have a good relationship with him.
Boy, we started shit.
I'm sorry.
Face the car. Spread your feet.
I'm sorry.
Jevin, how you gonna play that game, man?
Congratulations.
I'm alright. You know I'm never running.
Just face the car, spread your feet.
You're white. You're tall. Come on. Later.
I know there was no way out either. Idiot. Give me one.
Hang out over there, please.
I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry.
Jevin, when are you gonna play that game? I ain't never been rude to you.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
I've never been a
That's
dick.
why
And you're gonna throw pop bottles at me?
I'm
Face the car.
Congratulations.
not even about the situation. I'm sorry to you personally. I'm so sorry.
Alright, it's over, bud. Alright? No more problems today, okay?
I'm so sorry. Sir.
Got it.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry. To you personally.
Alright, switch sides, please.
Right?
Yep. Slipping on grease in the back.
So sorry. Yeah, man, not to you, man.
I don't even. One might have cut his. I think they're more tangled in my shit than. I don't even know if it stuck him. It might have.
Some of it's still, it broke off in the store.
You got a bag.
I'll grab one.
You swing your legs in, I'll roll down the windows, Jevin. Jevin, come on.
No, I'm not trying to be.
I know, I'm just telling you, I'll roll down the window, but you need to put your feet in.
Come on. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I don't even do stuff like that.
Hold it. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
That's 19. 190 was en route to guard duty when you picked that up.
Two.
Is there another
Two.
car or is there a car that would like to volunteer to go into place to that guard duty at Graham?
Fugitive apprehension team. Fat boy. Let's go.
I'm not sure I didn't make it there yet. If there's got something.
I saw him like walking in, but he had his hood up.
Yeah.
So I just walked in. It's like to see if it was him. And he's just like. And then we just back and forth in the store.
So, has he had a previous 41 here? Is that?
No, it's a robbery warrant for I think either the UDF or.
Oh, he's got a 50A for it, and then so he's just pissed because.
Oh, he fucking tried to whip his ass.
Because
We both took him into custody.
Okay.
He was like, once he started throwing his property in the store, he was like, "Fuck that motherfucker! I'm gonna beat your ass."
We thought he 41 to the store.
No.
Okay.
Mr. Javon Baltimore was offered a plea deal on his robbery case that gave him 23 months of community control or probation, with 2 years of time on the shelf if he violated it. 4 months later, he did just that on February the 11th, 2025, when he is indicted for felony theft. That charge was reduced to a misdemeanor, and he was given 52 days of time served. It looks like he's going to get that 2 years after all, because this caused his robbery case to be reopened.